What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special classic vehicle in the shop. We have this Ford Bronco. This is a 1972 Ford Bronco. It is a fully customized and fully restored. This vehicle is in for Lumar full body paint protection film. We are also going to be tinting the two front windows and the front windshield in Lumar Stratos 70% film. The Stratos 70% tint is pretty much a clear ceramic film. It's going to give you all the benefits of the heat rejection and the UV protection just without any shade. Two really cool features that I want to point out to you guys on this vehicle. The first one is going to be the paint job. From far away, it might just look like a dark gray. However, if you get up close and personal in the sun, this vehicle actually has a little bit of a purple pink metallic flake in it. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my flashlight, see if you guys can zoom in with the cameras and look at that. It does have that pink metallic flake in it, which looks very pretty. So that's why we're going to be doing the full body paint protection film. And the second one is what is under the hood. This vehicle actually has a 5.0 Coyote engine in it. I'm not sure exactly how much horsepower it is making, but that is definitely a sight to see on a vehicle that weighs as little as this. It is also a 5-speed manual transmission, but without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit of a high-pitched sheesh. I wasn't sure if that was you or Naya.
What's up guys? We are back, Mile High Customs, with another one. The 1972 Ford Bronco is officially finished. As we mentioned before, this vehicle is completely restored from top to bottom. The nice thing about this vehicle too is just the paint job. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it looks like it's just a nice gray. But in the actual paint of this vehicle is actually pink flakes. So this particular customer, his wife loves the pink. There's some pink accents on the rear of the vehicle, but this flake is actually a pink. So when the sun hits it, you see the pink metallic popping off the paint. So what we did for this vehicle is we actually went ahead and PPF'd the whole vehicle. So this paint is completely protected from head to toe. We did this with Lumar's platinum PPF, so again, it's completely protected. On top of that, we also did our ceramic coating, so it makes it a lot easier to maintain, creating that hydrophobic layer for you. And then we also tinted the vehicle. We wanted to keep the vehicle as is when it came in, so no dark tint. We just went with the 70% Stratos and Lumar Stratos film, so it looks clear for you, but it's actually getting 95 to 97% heat rejection with this specific tint. And again, guys, if you can see this vehicle and just take a look at it, the flake in this paint is gorgeous, and that's why we went ahead and PPF'd it. So now it's fully protected. They can drive it through the elements, wash the way they need to with the ceramic coating. What's really special about this vehicle is not just the paint on the outside, but what they did to the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of this vehicle and take a look at some of the details. All right, guys, this vehicle has been completely restored. If you just take a look at the leather, it is awesome. It just gives you that old school look to it with that weather texture to it. Taking a look at the whole inside of the vehicle, it is totally clean as we're doing so, and it's kind of blended some nice inside, some modern technology with the old school look for you. So you'll see that it does have a backup camera here in the rear view, so you do have that. So you have the new school with the old school, but while still getting the old school look, you still have some things that are R-Power with all the buttons. But man, look at the craftsmanship on this thing. It is gorgeous. And then one of my favorite features on this vehicle is not just the leather piece that's on side that's connecting the door, but also this right here. This looks like a roll down window, but it's actually power. So when you press it down, the power of the window comes down and it comes up. So that's a cool little feature that I think that it shows you the old school look of it, but it actually gives you, you know, the craftsmanship of a new school vehicle with the power windows. All right, guys, so you know we had to pop the engine here for you. This vehicle is powered by a 5.0 Coyote crate. It's pushing over 400 horsepower. This build was done by Vintage Broncos, and as you can see, man, it is a piece of work. So everything from the engine bay to the exterior paint to the interior, man, this is one for the ages, I think. There you have it, 1972 Bronco in the books. Let us know what you think in the comments. We'll catch you on the next one. We out of here at Maha Customs. Peace out.